In this video, you will find basic information about axis slipping, which is a common issue in 3D printers. Axis slipping, also known as axis drift, can occur in 3D printers for various reasons. This problem can lead to misaligned layers and distorted prints. Below are some common causes of axis slipping and how to repair them. Loose belts or pulleys. Cause: loose belts or pulleys in the printer's motion system can cause axis slipping. Belts can stretch over time, and pulley set screws may become loose. Repair: check if the belts are properly tensioned and adjust them if necessary. Tighten any loose pulley set screws. Ensure that the belts are properly aligned and undamaged. Motor issues. Cause: faulty or overheating stepper motors can lead to axis slipping. Repair: inspect motor connections and cooling. Replace any malfunctioning motors. Driver settings. Cause: incorrect stepper driver settings in the firmware can cause axis slipping. Repair: review and configure stepper motor driver settings in the printer's firmware. This may involve adjusting current limits or microstepping settings. Mechanical problems. Cause: mechanical components like linear rods, bearings, or lead screws may wear out or get damaged. Repair: examine these components for damage, wear, or misalignment. Replace any worn or damaged parts as needed. Software or firmware issues. Cause: software or firmware glitches or bugs can occasionally lead to axis slipping. Repair: ensure that your 3D printing software and firmware are up to date. If you suspect a software or firmware issue, consider reinstalling or updating them. Electrical problems. Cause: electrical issues, such as loose or damaged wires or connectors, can disrupt the printer's operation. Repair: carefully inspect wiring and connections for any issues. Repair or replace any damaged wires or connectors. Print speed and acceleration settings. Cause: printing at very high speeds or using aggressive acceleration settings can cause the printer to lose steps and experience axis slipping. Repair: adjust your print speed and acceleration settings to be within the printer's capabilities. Slowing down the print can help reduce the chances of axis slipping. Check for obstructions. Cause: physical obstructions or debris on the print bed or in the printer's path can disrupt the printing process. Repair: regularly clean the print bed and ensure there are no obstacles in the printer's path. If you are unsure about diagnosing or repairing axis slipping issues, it's a good idea to consult your printer's manual or seek assistance from the manufacturer or a knowledgeable community or forum. Complex or persistent issues may require professional servicing. I realized that the belt of our ANED A8 printer was deformed, which was causing axis slipping. I replaced the belt, and the problem was resolved. I hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to support our channel, you can follow us. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.